Yoshimura. Yeah, that's what we're going to do today, actually. So, welcome to another episode of It's a Dire Thing. Today, I am going to install the Yosh pipe with the headers onto my 2017 Yamaha FZ09. So you saw on my last video where we did a small clip in regards to doing the quick shift. Today, we are going to do the pipe. So, hang in tight. We're done. Simple enough. So it was just the 3 headers, right? So only 3, not 4. We're lucky on that. Down through. You still retain that. Still got the cap. Little bracket through here. That kind of comes underneath the springs. That replaces a little bracket there. Again, I don't know. It's kind of a hidden badge there, right? It's kind of like a not too. Yeah, I don't know if they've changed the foot stance on this. Maybe, possibly that's why now this one is kind of in. I'd have to take a look at the other bikes. So there's your baffle. It is removable. You take this little cap off here, and then there's a little set screw, and it allows you to take this whole assembly out. So that's it. 2, 3, and go. That's got a bit of a sound now, doesn't it, eh? So, there you go. This is the Yamaha Y-Series Yoshimura. Yoshimura! Right? Yoshimura! I love it. Carbon tip. Baffle is still in there. So this is stock baffle. I don't think I would want to ride it without the baffle. But anyways, there you go, guys. Another super install. Ooh, stinky. Smells like new exhaust. Super install for 2017 Yamaha FZ09. Brought to you by me, Rob Dyer, from It's a Dire Thing. Love that bike. I really love that bike. What? Sorry, do you notice anything different?
On the bike?
Yeah, I did something today. And we're going to test it out. Here, well, let me turn you on. Just so I can get you in. Wait a minute, don't run away. Don't run away. You got to push your button. Are you going to wait for you to connect to me? Are you connected to me? Hello?
Yes.
Okay, so, yeah, what? What do you think?
Yes.
Yeah. It's new.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go. It's new, it's pretty, but let's go. All right.
I thought it looked different.
Yeah, so we're no longer stock pipe. It is now the Yamaha Yoshimura.
Don't you have work to do?
Yoshimura. Yeah, it's part of work.
That's not part of work.
It is part of work because we're testing to see sound. So here, come on, get on. It's going to be
be embarrassing.
No, no, no. No, no, no. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. There we go. Just a little bit. It's just so people can hear me and then they can get out of the way. There you go. Anyways, Yoshimura.
Sure.
Yoshimura.
Who's running the Honda?
It's a CBR 500, so that's, ooh, there's Mr. What are you, are you gonna, I'm going to take a wild guess. You're going to go do an oil change. Oh, Yoshimura. Yeah. Ooh.
Let's go.
Oh, you know you're on my YouTube channel, eh? Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, hello. So, no, CBR 500, that's Tony's.
Oh.
So it might get a bit smelly because it's still brand new and it has to get worked in, right? So. Earl, what a goof.
Ooh, stinky.
Yeah, it's brand new. That's new pipe smell.
So I'm running on touring mode, so didn't want to be too loud. We'll see. So right now you're listening to the sound through my GoPro on my helmet. So this is actually head height. So, oh, it's got little pop-pops. You know who's gonna like this, eh? Sage. He is so gonna like this.